We've got a very special guest joining us this morning to discuss the global economy and how the economic recovery in 2021 can potentially benefit many of us, particularly those who are close to or already in retirement. Andrew, great to see you.
Nice to see you too, Paul.
Now, Andrew, you are an award-winning trader, author, TV show host and founding partner of Trading Mastery. You have over 20 years' experience in the field, so I'm really keen to get your thoughts on the current state of the markets.
There's no doubt the economy has been through the ringer recently, but things will get better as they've always done after every major correction in history. And here's an example. If you bought Google, Microsoft or Amazon as we did around the lows after the GFC and held those positions, their share prices have risen 1,750, 1,400 and 6,300%.
Wow.
And it's global growth companies that are again going to thrive in the next 2 to 3 years as we beat this pandemic. But here's the problem. Too many of us simply hand our hard-earned money over to fund managers who pool their money with everyone else, and when you do that, you're not likely to earn anything meaningful.
Right, okay, so you're suggesting that we should learn to look after our own money?
That's exactly what I'm suggesting. No one will ever be more concerned about your money than you. Knowing what companies will likely deliver above average returns is the key, and that's where we help our clients.
Okay, so what are the benefits of becoming a Trading Mastery client?
To start with, we'll share with you a simple framework so you can choose outstanding global growth businesses that have the potential to not only pay handsome dividends, but their share prices are likely to outperform as the global economic expansion takes hold in the next 12 months.
Right.
In fact, I share with every client my own personal portfolio so they can see exactly where I have my money.
Nice.
I'll even show you how to open your very first trading account and place your first trade.
Okay, and what kind of returns are your clients getting, Andrew?
Let me share a story. We have an 82-year-old client named Frances who sadly lost her husband not so long ago. She refused to hand over all her money to a financial planner to manage. So in 2020, she decided to become a Trading Mastery client and learn to look after it herself. Well, Frances sent me a trading statement recently, asked me how I thought she was doing.
Yeah.
She's currently up over 30%.
Wow.
Of course, past results are no guarantee of future returns, but it sure as heck helps when you have someone guiding you every step of the way.
Absolutely, and it sounds like Frances isn't the only one making great returns. Take a look at this.
Having a fantastic experience. I hadn't traded much before. I had done a bit of education and looked at a couple of different options prior to starting with Trading Mastery, but I was referred to the company by my cousin, and who's got great results. For me, it's been a wonderful experience, and my results are phenomenal, much better than what I expected. So for me, currently I'm sitting at about 60% in 3 months return on investment.
I'm your typical sort of middle-aged guy looking for a retirement fund. You know, initially you're a bit nervous with all the scams and stuff with trading that are out there, and, you know, it was a big investment to join. But, 2 months in, I've made over $3,000 and I really only have invested $14,000 in my trading account, so I can't believe how well it's going, and just couldn't recommend it highly enough. It's been amazing for me. I just wish I'd got onto it a long time ago.
Those are some incredible stories. Andrew, what do we need to do to get started?
It's simple. Jump onto tradingmastery.com, register your details, and you'll get instant free access to our 7-part introductory mini course that shares everything you'll need to know about getting started the right way for better results in 2021. And as a bonus to the first 300 people to register right now, you'll receive a special report, 6 COVID-19 recovery trades every investor should consider right now. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Jump onto tradingmastery.com now.
Thanks so much for joining us, Andrew.
Cheers, Paul.
Once again, that website to find out more, go to tradingmastery.com.